300 people have been diagnosed with the Zika virus in Long Island. All the infections were contracted overseas, but with the number of cases expected to rise, there's concern about not having enough money to fight it. TV 1055's Richard Rose explains in tonight's Long Island report.
Unfortunately, Zika has a bullseye here in the New York metropolitan area and on Long Island.
Flanked by health officials inside Nassau University Medical Center, Senator Charles Schumer detailed the rising number of Zika cases locally, 16 in Nassau County, 20 in Suffolk, and 241 in New York City. Senator Schumer is concerned Congress has yet to agree on a $1 billion proposal to fund the national response, even as lawmakers prepare to go on summer recess.
If we don't do something this week, we won't have a chance to do anything till September. And by then it may be too late.
Nassau and Suffolk counties are spraying pesticides in mosquito-infested areas, and public works crews are setting mosquito traps.
Public Works has treated thousands of street basins so far, sumps, ponds, and hundreds of miles of streams for our mosquitoes.
Nassau University Medical Center has prepared its staff in case it sees an influx of Zika patients, even as it expands testing to detect any possible symptoms. And homeowners are being asked to make sure there is no standing water in pots, buckets, or tarps that can be a breeding ground.
I should probably start checking around the house to make sure if there is any water, then probably just take care of it at the time when I see it.
The fear of Zika prompted Katie Miller's family to cancel a trip to the Caribbean where Zika has spiked.
I'd rather be safe than sorry, just for my family. I have a young child. We may have more.
Meanwhile, Uniondale mom Jo Valveri says Congress needs to act.
It doesn't matter if you're a Democrat or Republican. This should definitely be something that's, important because it's, lives.
Health officials say the federal funds are critically needed for clinical trials to try to find a Zika vaccine. In Nassau County, Richard Rose, TV 1055.